this is our two lining parts, one for front and one for back. Same way we have to cut for the upper fabric also. You can always cross check by opening up and placing like this. It will come in a full circle. Now for marking waistband, we have to take our front part and measure it like this. Make sure you don't overstretch it. We have to make it straight, mark it and cut it on fold. One for lining and one for material. Now stitch the sides of the skirt. See, this is our stitched skirt, upper layer of the full circle. And now same way stitch the lining material also. See, now our both the pieces are ready. Now place like this. Both the seams should be inside. Right over the right. And now we will stitch these two layers together with rough stitch so that our pieces are together and they don't move while stitching. Now we will attach our waistband. For that we have to place the band right facing right, and with the seam allowance do the stitching. As I am doing it on half scale, so I will be doing it by hand stitching. You can do directly machining with keeping the seam allowance. Now I have reached the end, so I will stitch the two ends of the waist together. Now open up, make it straight. Now you can see our ends are finished, and now we have to make a loop for our elastic. Make sure your seam flattens upside and it goes inside the loop. Now fold and do the stitching over the edge of the fold. Now our waistband is ready. Make sure you leave a loop open so that we can insert our elastic from there. So now with the help of safety pin you can insert the elastic. Now stitch the elastic and cover up the loop. The opening we left for the elastic insertion, you can close that loop. Now our waistband is ready. Our skirt is almost ready. So now finish the upper layer and the lining by double folding it. Our skirt is ready. You can make it of any length you want.